front last year we had a tire cut loose and just about knocked me off my feet. It was incredible. Big, huge feet, looked like a retread. Came flying off there. We'll have to see what happens here. It's locked down. As you can see, these folks do a really good job. These are a crew that, every day they're out on the road doing stuff for our different magazines, whether it's Carcraft, whether it's Roadkill this weekend down in Detroit. These guys have really made it happen. Redline Motorsports, when it comes to bringing it down, putting it on paper, these guys will give you a good look at what's under the hood. Corey Short, ladies and gentlemen, Engine Master Champion, Mopar, incredible guy, comes from the Short family of racers. I gotta tell you something. Corey Short, when you talk about Mopar Muscle Boy, there's nobody bigger than the Short family from Indianapolis. You know, Corey, I don't know if this is the Cordobeast.
I like it.
And it's a 440, and he's got a steel crank, and they've got a couple of little things. You walk up to it and say, "What's in it?" It goes, "Oh, nothing but a steel crank, some rods, basically a whole new motor." But we'll have to take a look. So speaking of horsepower, you're the guy, the engine master with Popular Hot Rodding, of course, and with the Enthusiast Network. You've been a big part of that every year. How's everything going from Indianapolis?
Things are going well.